Our high-end car speakers for BMW provide an unrivaled listening experience. They are designed to fit perfectly in all BMW E and F series cars and provide damage-free installation. As well as this, their specialized design and high-quality construction materials mean they operate at the highest levels of acoustic performance. Their unique, customized external molding and internal cone design mean they produce a distinctive, natural stereo sound. For more details, call us now.